Hello guys, welcome to another video. Last week I didn't trade at all because I decided to took my personal time, right? I was completely mentally unstable, so I took 1 week out from me so I can come back greater. Today is Tuesday, we have news at 3 p.m. or 10 p.m., whatever you want. Um, so yeah, going to the day, yesterday we just broke structure. We swept this internal buy side liquidity. We didn't manipulate it, but we caused encroachment, right? And then we just displaced through. I think we had a bearish SMT. I don't know. Let me just check. No, there is no bearish SMT. But yeah, we changed the state from both sides, right here and right here. Let me just put, yeah. We have this bearish fair value gap and this bearish one that was completely reject, and then we just swept this internal sell side liquidity right yesterday. Right now, which we are expecting to see is a continuation lower. Sweeping this, I don't know where we want to go, but we still have these relative equal lows. We have these basically all these generated sell side liquidity. I don't know which one will be the greatest to then reverse, right? To then take a trade to reverse, but I don't know. So if I zoom in, we did not have a change in the state to the upside. Why? Because we just rebalance to equilibrium, right? And we tap the 4-hour change in the state, which is this one. Okay? So we just rebalanced to equilibrium. We ran through this bullish fair value gap, so which means we are probably going lower. So my bias right now is completely bearish. But once we sweep this sell side liquidity, I'm expecting then to see a reversal. So if I can trade a reversal, if I zoom even more in, we just ran through this bullish fair value gap for 50 minutes. We are completely disrespecting bullish fair value gaps and respecting the bearish ones. Alright, so we just pulled now a bullish SMT. Yeah, it is right now a bullish SMT right here, but it's okay. It doesn't mean we are going higher. I don't know. So yeah, what am I expecting right now on the market opens? Rebalance to this one fair value gap that we just ran through to then keep going lower. So we don't have that much. We just have this one bearish fair value gap on the 5 minutes, and I don't know if we want to manipulate these highs to then go lower. And remember, we have news at 3 p.m. and tomorrow we have FOMC. So today is day before FOMC, so we need to be careful, right? So yeah, I don't know if on the opening we want to manipulate these highs to then and then touching this bearish value gap and then going lower, or just fucking dump. Alright, so be careful with today, guys. Today is really important. Be careful, because maybe price action can just preparing for the FOMC. So yeah, guys, I'll be right back. See you. Okay, guys, I took two small losses right now. One was this one. Let me just put this right here. I'm sorry. One was this. I took. It was a pretty small loss. Okay. Um, since trading view was not good, I took this short, right? As I said, on the market opening, we manipulated higher, touching the 50-minute and the hourly bullish fair value gap that we just went through, right? So I knew we would rebalance, manipulating these highs, which this right here, and we displaced, right? So when we displaced, I took a short, and this was my first round liquidity, right? So when we sweep this, I was like, yeah, I'll put my stop loss to break even, but TradingView was just as today, okay. So it would be a break even trade, but I just lost the trade, okay. I'm not too mad, right? So then once we start, when we had this displacement right here to the upside, I knew this was a manipulation to then go higher, right? So my bias for today was bearish, right? But once I saw this big displacement and we just went down and then we closed above, I was like, yeah, we are bullish. Okay, so then I took a long, put my stop loss right here, pretty style risk, and then put, once we sweep this high right here, I will put my stop loss to break even, but we just didn't swept, so this is my first loss for the day. But since trading view was as, I got stop out on the two trades. Alright, so yeah guys, see you tomorrow. Today wasn't good, I trade bad, probably also because I wasn't patient. And yeah, right now we just can keep going bearish. I don't know what the hell market wants to do, and I just should wait because we have the news, man, at 3 p.m. I just should wait that. I don't know if this is really effective to the market. Like FOMC is completely sure. I won't trade until FOMC, but yeah, uh, I'm fine, guys. I just took this loss. I'm completely fine, completely happy for taking this loss. Why? Because this is learning, right? I'm learning when I took a loss. So that's how I'm gonna be profitable in the very long term, right? So guys, stay safe. Tomorrow is the big day. Tomorrow is the day where we full port. Not just kidding. So yeah, be safe, guys.